have Neo V2. This is our brand new USB Type-C adapter. This is the most comprehensive USB Type-C adapter available in the world. To our knowledge and what we believe, this is going to be the very first to hit the market in late October, so in less than 2 months. Okay, let me take you through the different ports on the adapter. First off, there are 2 variations. Okay, so one with HDMI 1.4, support up to 4K, and then the other with VGA, supporting up to 720p. Okay, so also you have a USB Type-C, so you can still be charging your laptop or device whilst using the adapter. Then on the side we have gigabit Ethernet. Okay. Then on the back we have 2 USB 3.0 ports, and then the 2 card readers. Okay, so in total we have 7 ports on the device. Okay, it will be available in 3 colors. So we have the rose gold, grey and silver. Let me give you a quick demonstration. So we have external hard drive plugged in and also micro SD card. So first up, external hard drive, all the files are there, the adapter works well, and then the card reader. Okay, so this 4K video file. And as you can see, it's playing perfectly, exactly as you'd expect. So we've been working on this new adapter since June. The MacBook came out, is using the USB Type-C adapter, and you can see that this is a trend that will continue into 2016. As laptops begin to get thinner, ports get removed, and everybody will slowly start adopting USB Type-C. The problem is laptops get thinner, but everybody still needs all their connectivity ports. You will still need your USB 3.0 for your external hard drive. You will still want gigabit Ethernet. You can't, however good Wi-Fi is, there will always be occasions where you will want to use Ethernet. Okay, and then, as I mentioned earlier, the HDMI and VGA ports. Okay, perfect for outputting your content. So this new adapter is slightly different from what our customer base usually expect with the Android media hubs. But this is really about Minix pursuing the latest technology and giving our customers exactly what we believe they require. Okay, into 2016, we believe everybody will be looking for one of these adapters. It brings all the connectivity, perfect for life on the go.